Good morning students. In today's video, I am going to read the chapter 11 for you, and after that we'll move towards the exercises and question answers given in chapter 11. So let's begin. Let's begin the reading of this chapter, Keeping Surroundings Clean. We have learnt about keeping ourselves and our homes clean. We should also keep our surroundings clean. We depend on our surroundings for many things like shelter, food, and air. Our houses are cleaned regularly, but not our surroundings. Have you ever seen any rubbish piled up in your home? Have you seen piles of garbage in your surrounding or any other area? Discuss. You must have seen flies on such garbage and even pigs around it. Any garbage thrown causes germs in the surrounding areas and we might fall ill. Germs cause many diseases. As we keep our homes clean of dust, dirt, and germs, we should also keep our surroundings clean. How does garbage get collected in our surroundings? There are many reasons due to which garbage can get collected. Some common reasons are people or the domestic help throw garbage anywhere on the road. The kitchen waste is thrown in the open, including plastics. Many people spit anywhere on the road. Even water gets collected at some places and is covered with mosquitoes, which may make us ill. Can we do something to keep our surroundings clean? It is very simple to keep our surrounding clean. We need to be aware of our actions. We can keep our surroundings clean by throwing the garbage in dustbins only and also requesting others to do the same. We can also plant trees because trees purify the air we breathe. We should avoid wastage of paper as we get paper from trees. We should make sure that there is no accumulation of water in our surroundings and all drains are covered. We must not throw any plastic bags around. Plastic bags can block the drains. We should recycle material like old worn out toys, books, etc. We should have compost pits to throw the kitchen garbage. The garbage gets changed into manure, which is good for plants. We should place separate dustbins for separate types of garbage. We all can together look after our surroundings and keep them clean. Now let's see the exercises of the book. Write whether given sentences are true or false. We can throw garbage in our surroundings. False. We depend on surroundings for many things. True. Plants do not help us in keeping our surroundings clean. False. We should spit anywhere on the road. True. Plastic bags can block drains. True. Now let's move towards the question and answers. Chapter 11, Keeping Surroundings Clean. Answer the following questions. Why should we keep our surroundings clean? We should keep our surroundings clean to stay healthy and fit. What harm does garbage cause? Any garbage thrown causes germs in the surrounding areas and we might fall ill. How are compost pits useful for plants? The kitchen garbage thrown into compost pits gets changed into manure, which is good for plants. Suggest any four ways in which we can keep our surroundings clean. The 4 ways are: we should plant more trees, we should recycle old worn out toys and books, we must not throw plastic bags around, we should throw all the wastes in dustbins only. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.